This is my family history project. My grandfather's family. Carl and Jürgen, my grandfather, were born in Chicago, and Peter was born in Germany. My grandparents' parents are from Germany, and in the late 1930s, they decided they wanted to move back there. The war broke out a couple years later, and they were stuck there. My grandfather's family stayed very well hidden until the end of the war, when Nazi soldiers began to question them. They questioned my great-uncle Carl. Why wasn't he fighting in the war? Carl tried to explain that he was an American, but that was even worse. He would have been put in a camp. He was then forced to fight for the Nazi army against his own country. With the year left in the war, while he was in a German U-boat in the English Channel, my great-uncle Carl was captured by the American soldiers and taken as a prisoner of war. He was put in a camp. But when he got there, he tried to explain to the Allied powers that he was an American and really wasn't fighting for the Nazis. Carl's team was shocked, and it took a lot of convincing for the Allied powers to believe him. But when they did, they moved him to a different, less severe camp. The war then ended a year later, a long year. When he was released, he didn't know where to go, and he didn't know where his family was. He decided to try to move back to Chicago and find them there. It took 2 years for my grandfather's family to finally be reunited with Carl. My grandfather and Uncle Carl are still alive today, but find this very hard to talk about. I'm very blessed that they are both alive and doing well.